Do you have some potatoes? Let's make the perfect potato dough and the yummiest potato patties. This dough is very easy and very fast to make and very delicious. It's very soft and yummy. And I will also make some patties stuffed with cheese. I'm sure everyone will ask you for the recipe. Yalla, let's start. Bring 3 potatoes, peel it and wash it very well. Boil it in a salted water until they're fully cooked and soft. Add some salt as desired and mash the potatoes. Wait for the potatoes to cool completely and add 1 cup of flour. The quantity of flour in this recipe is not fixed. Each type of potato needs a different amount of flour. So keep 1 cup of flour near you and add it gradually until you reach a perfect consistency. It's normal for the dough to be sticky a little bit. Add some oil at the end of the kneading stage and it will look like this. Now leave it to rest a little bit while making the meat stuffing. Into a pan, add 4 crushed garlic cloves with some oil. Let it take a color, then add 500 grams of ground meat, 1 teaspoon of 7 spices, half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of dried basil or oregano if you don't have basil. Some salt as desired and mix all the ingredients. Now add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, half a cup of water and mix them all together. The last optional step is to add half a cup of cooking cream. It will take the meat stuffing to another level, trust me, and add the cooking cream to the mixture. Now it's ready, wait until it cools completely. And now you can start shaping the dough. Your hands should be brushed with some oil while working with this dough. I've prepared all the patties to be stuffed. The meat mixture is at room temperature. Start rolling the dough like this and put the meat inside it. Don't forget to put a generous amount of meat inside each patty. Close it very well and gently press on it until it takes this form. I will make some patties filled with cheese. Now they're ready to be fried. Into a non-stick pan, put some oil and add the patties. On a medium heat, leave the patties until they take a golden color on the first side, then flip it. Their color is beautiful and the smell at this stage is amazing. Remove it when it looks like this. You can put it on a paper to absorb any extra oil and then you can serve it. They look yummy and they taste yummy. Everyone will ask you for this recipe. Also, you can freeze these patties and remove them from the freezer. Heat it on low heat or in the microwave anytime you want and you will have the perfect and freshest potato patties. Try this recipe and let me know your opinion. صحتين هنا.